Hello everyone. So my name is Anvi. I am welcome you all in our YouTube channel. So I am first year BTech student pursuing the AIDS, and I try to explain you today types of water and the disadvantages of water. First of all, we know water is the important substance in our overall world. Without water, we cannot imagine our single day. So disadvantages of hard water is also important to know us, and difference between the hard water and soft water. We are just using the water and doesn't know about the what type of water we are used. If we are uses the hard water, it may causes dangerous issues. By using soft water, it is useful for our domestic purposes like cooking, cleaning, washing, drinking, etc. So in our first slide, we are able to understand the difference between the hard water and soft water. By clearly understand this, we are using water. It is useful for us. For first of all, what is mean the hard water? So first of all, water is forms the lather. Lather is nothing but our foam. Uh, sorry. Hard water does not form the lather or a soap, but soft water is our forms the soap or lather, which is used in our domestic purposes. By using hard water, it causes dangerous issue, because it does not forms the lather, so it not able to clean our body, washing machineries in industry purposes, etc. So use soft water for domestic purposes, because it forms the lather or a foam. Hard water is contains our dissolved salts, calcium and magnesium, and soft water does not contains the dissolved salts like calcium and magnesium. In our third difference is hard water cleaning the quality of soap and is depressed, and it is also lots of water is during water washing and bathing, and soft water, it takes place during not wasted the water while washing and bathing, and the quality of the soap is not depressed. This is our third difference, because while washing and bathing, it wasted the lots of water. So use the soft water for saving the water. And while cooking, it takes the hard water takes the lots of time. That's because fuel is also burning. um, that exactly opposite of hard water. uh, our soft water is takes the less fuel and less time, so use the soft water um, for saving the fuel and time. um, in conclusion, we are came that soft water is useful and hard water is not useful for our domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, washing and bathing, etc. In our next slide, we are came here disadvantages of water. So water can be contains the mainly three areas. First is domestic purposes, industrial purposes, and boiler feed purposes. In our we are firstly see the in drinking a very hard water for a long time may cause the kidney stones. It is a health issue. If we use the drink hard water, it causes health issue, and it may cause kidney stones. It is also expensive later. Then this also happens due to calcium oxalate crystals in the body. Hard water contains the we know calcium and magnesium like salts. So these are contains hard water. And While cooking, we know the after we know um, the while cooking, it takes lots of time to cooking, and also that because fuel is our burning, so hard water is not takes the more time, more fuel. So we should avoid the hard water for our cooking, washing and bathing. We know it does not forms the lather, so it takes the time for washing and bathing, and not it may cause skin problems like darker, it may be darker, and skin should be drier. In our industrial purpose, we know in industry there is a lot of need of water. Actually, industry is forming where the water is water stored is more water 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 forming where like a river, sea. Actually, where are the industrial forms? Then in industry purposes like textile industry, sugar industry, drying industry, or pharmaceutical industry, paper industry, concrete making. In this industry, lots of water needed. In our textile industry, what means in textile industry there is not dyeing of yarn, so precipitation of calcium and magnesium is not forming, and also exact shades of color are not forming. In sugar, the crystallization of sugar is not formed perfectly, because it gives the powder of sugar only. And in dyeing industry, it not gives the proper color to fabrics, that because quality of the clothes are poor. And pharmaceutical industry, it is used in injections and drugs making, etc. But this causes health issue because if we hard water it affects in our body. In paper industry, does not give the proper color to the paper and papers, and due to this quality of the paper is decreased. And in concrete making, while we building the constructions, there is lot of need of water, and in this condition if we are using the hard water, it may cause dangerous, because our construction is not to be perfect, and in future it may cause collapse. Therefore use soft water for the perfect setting of the construction. Then a boiler field construction, the important industrial use of water is generating steam in boiler. The life of the boiler and economy of its operation depends on the quality of the water used in it. If water is used in hard, then following problems may cause. This means it um, boiler use water to produce steam. If hard water is used, boiler life reduces. And this because comes the problems like scale and sludge formation, corrosion, forming, and embrittlement. Scale and sludge formation. If the precipitate is hard and adhering on the inner surface, it is called scale. So, what is mean by scale? And it is defined that hard and solid deposit. And scale is sticks strongly to inner wall of the boiler, so it reduces the heat transfer and causes overheating and boiler damages. So our sludge is a soft and loose and slimy deposit, so it settle down and both of the boiler damages. So sludge adhering on the inner surface, and it known as sludge. We are come in the conclusion. The So hard water is not good for our home, industry and boilers. Soft water is a better for washing, cleaning and industrial use. So use the soft water, and it is useful for us. And I hope I'm trying betterly to explain you all the types of water. I'm trying well. Thank you.